For anybody that has a problem with their Graco line drivers, with these rubber bushings going bad and then the frame sits on the frame of the driver, buy new rubber bushings. They're about 10 bucks a piece from Graco. Unfortunately, haven't found an aftermarket supplier from these. Once you buy these, go to Tractor Supply and get these machinery bushings. It's an 1.25 inch, 1 inch ID that slips over the top of these. I'll show you. Slips over the top of it. What it does is it prevents this extremely sharp edge from here from cutting through the bottom of the bushings. It's a simple washer, 1 inch ID washer that prevents. These are 10, 12 bucks a piece from Graco, so you try to get as much as you can out of them. My line drivers, I get about 2 months before the bushings go bad. After I installed these washers on them, I've gotten 3 years out of it. Spoke to engineers about it. They don't seem a problem with it, so we have to take matters in our own hands and fix the problem that they won't. So I think these bushings from Tractor Supply were like 5 bucks, 6 bucks maybe. Buy them, slide them on, replace your bushings, put them on the bottom of the line driver plate, and you're good to go for a couple years.